Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to learn how to send Google Docs file as an attachment to the Stripe customer automatically. As you know that Stripe and Gmail doesn't have any integration between them. That's why we are going to integrate them with the help of an integration software that is Pabbly Connect. So that whenever a new customer is created in Stripe, Pabbly Connect will automatically send an email with Google Docs as an attachment to the new customer. And you know what? The best part is this process requires no coding skills or programming knowledge, and any person or any non-technical person can also use it easily. So yeah, let's begin with an example. Okay, so this is my Stripe account and here I'm going to create a customer and we'll see whether the person gets mail or not with that attachment. Okay, so here from the customer section, I'm going to add a customer. Okay, add customer and here Parker. Okay, email is parkerdevin289@gmail.com. Okay, now description, leaving it as blank, and here billing. Okay, so billing detail, choose a country is India. Okay, and here address is Denmark Street, address 2 is Dwarka, and here city is New Delhi, postal code 110034, and state is Delhi. Phone number 1234567899. Okay, this is just a random phone number. Okay, now shipping details same as billing details. Okay, time zone is India, and yeah, this Maldives. Okay, language of course English. Okay, this is currency INR, Indian rupee. Okay, so yeah, now I'm adding the customer. Sorry. Okay, just a second. I have to mention this. Okay, so yeah, add customer. Okay, so here the customer is visible. That means the customer is created. Now we will see whether he got the email with attachment or not. Okay, Stripe, from email from the Stripe, and here is the Google Docs. Okay, welcome Parker Devin to the Stripe family. Okay, that means we have got the email with attachment. That's how it works. Now to learn the process and to initiate it, let's type pabbly.com in the browser of new tab. Okay, so pabbly.com, press enter. Okay, so this is the site of Pabbly. Here you have to click on products and you have to click on connect. Okay, so this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here you have to sign in. As I have already created my account, that's why I'm directly signing in. You can also create your free account just in 2 minutes. So yeah, sign in. And this is my account. Here I'm going to click on connect access now. Okay, so that's how you will reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you have to create the workflow with the help of this create workflow button. Click on it and here you have to name your workflow. So I'm naming it as Stripe to Gmail. Okay, now click on create. This is the name of your use case or workflow. Okay, so this is the workflow, and one more thing I would like to mention that I will add the link of this workflow in the description box. You can clone it and directly access it into your account. Okay, so whenever you'll click on create, this window will appear. This window is known as trigger window. You might be thinking, what is this trigger or what is this trigger window? So let me tell you, automation works on the concept of triggers in action. Trigger says when this happens and action says do this. Suppose in this use case, whenever a new customer is created will be trigger, and send Google Docs as an attachment via Gmail will be action. So yeah, that's how it is going to work. So here for the trigger window, we have to choose a trigger application, and trigger application is Stripe. Okay, now Stripe, and we have to choose a trigger event. Trigger event is new customer. Okay, so whenever we have chosen this trigger event, this webhook URL will appear, and we have to follow these instructions to get connected. That means Stripe to Pabbly. Okay, so here we are following these steps and going back to this Stripe, and here in the developers section, here you will find this webhook section. Just click on it, and here you will find this add endpoint. Okay, so click on add endpoint, and this window will appear. Here you have to copy the URL, and this URL, this one, okay, webhook URL, you have to copy this URL, okay, and you have to paste it over here. So just paste it, okay, and you have to choose the event. So event is basically customer created, this one, okay. So add endpoint, okay, so that means our webhook URL got connected. Okay, so here Pabbly Connect, I'm going back to Pabbly Connect, and here I'm just clicking over this section waiting for webhook response, as it is already waiting. But once again we can click on it, okay, and here I'm going to this Stripe section, and here I'm going to this customer section. Okay, so yeah, here we have to add customer. Okay, and the customer is 𝗪𝗵𝘆, account email 𝗪𝗵𝘆677@gmail.com. Okay, leaving the description as it is, and yeah, country is billing detail, we are filling billing details, and country is India. Okay, and here address is Denmark Street. Address line 2 is, suppose it is Dwarka. Okay, city is New Delhi. Okay, postal code 110034, state is again Delhi, and phone number, okay, this is just a random phone number, and shipping details same as billing details. Okay, choose a time zone, this is India. Okay, India, suppose this one. Okay, so here language, of course, English. Okay, currency, Indian rupee, INR. Okay, now I'm adding the customer. Okay, okay, now let's see whether it got captured there or not in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so here we have captured the response. That means we have got the details of new customer that has been just created. Okay, so yeah, we are done with the details. We are having all the details here. Now we are adding an action window just to make sure that we should be sending the correct file. So for that we are adding an action window, that is Google Drive. Okay, so here we are choosing Google Drive because Google Drive contains that particular file, that particular Google Docs file which we want to share with the new customer. That's why we are adding here Google Drive, and here the event will be share a file with anyone. Okay, so here click on connect, and here connect with Google Drive. Okay, here you have to choose the account where the file is situated. So here I'm clicking this account because I have the file in this account. Okay, now it will ask for the access, so you can trust Pabbly and click on allow. It's 100% safe for use. Okay, so we have successfully connected. Now here the file ID. First of all, we have to mention the file ID. File ID would be the name of the docs file that you want to share. Okay, so here all the files of your Google Drive will be visible. So you have to click that particular one. So I'm clicking on this and clicking on save and send test request. Okay, so we have got the response and we have received links of that particular docs. Okay, so have a look at this one, application/RTF. We will be needing this particular link over down next window. Okay, so here I'm going to click on this plus button and adding another action window for Gmail. Okay, so here we are choosing application is Gmail. Okay, now we are choosing action event as send an email with attachment. Okay, wonderful. Now here, before proceeding further, let me just mention again that first we have connected Stripe to Pabbly, then Pabbly to Google Drive, and then Pabbly to Gmail. We are connecting Pabbly to Gmail. Okay, for that we have to click on this connect button and we have to click on this connect with Gmail. Here again you have to choose that particular Gmail account. So yeah, I'm going to click on this. You can trust Pabbly and give access to it. It is 100% safe. I'm mentioning it again. Okay, so authorization is successful and here we have to fill these fields. For that we can use the above information as mapping. Here they will be available as mapping. Okay, so yeah, we can map it from here. So the recipient email, that is this particular 𝗪𝗵𝘆. Okay, and here not very interested, from name we can write it as Stripe family. Okay, and here subject is thank you, and we can add name also, that is okay, yeah, this name. Thank you 𝗪𝗵𝘆 for your account creation. Okay, this is just a random line I'm adding for subject. Okay, you can add your favorite line. Okay, so here reply to not very interested, body type tick. Okay, it is already good. And yeah, email message. So here hello, and here I'm adding the name, that is okay, this, or particularly I can add this data object name only. Okay, so yeah, this one. So hello 𝗪𝗵𝘆, we can say welcome to Stripe. That's it. Okay, so this is email message, and here the attachment. Attachment will be visible in the second step, that is API 2. That means this one. Here we have to use the link that I have shown before, that means this particular RTF format. Okay, so yeah, docs, and yeah, we have done with the details. We have filled all the details here, and now we are going to click on save and send test request. Okay, so yeah, okay, so it is loading. Okay, yeah, so it is sent. The response said it is sent. So yeah, let us check from the email directly. Okay, so here I'm going to click on 𝗪𝗵𝘆's account. Okay, so yeah, here is the mail, Stripe family, and hello 𝗪𝗵𝘆, welcome to Stripe. This is just a simple email message. So yeah, that means we have successfully connected Stripe to Gmail and sent Google Docs as attachment. Okay, so that's how we worked. And here I'm minimizing the windows, action window, again an action window, and this is the trigger window. Okay, so what we have done? Firstly, we have connected Stripe to Pabbly, then Pabbly to Google Drive, then Pabbly to Gmail. That's how we have connected Stripe to Gmail. I hope you found the video helpful. If you have any queries, please visit pabbly.com. The link is given in the description box. If you really like the video, please like and share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.